everyone! So today and our daughter Mika are gonna do another fun pour. So Mika asked if she can do a pour.
Mommy.
Yes, this is Mika.
Mommy.
This is Mika.
Mommy.
Okay. And we're gonna use, this is the lid of the smoothie that we bought last week. So I keep it. And there is a hole already. So it's perfect for the open cup pour.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
So the colors that we're gonna use for today, this is gold. We do have white. And we have the metallic violet. We do have some shade of green. This is deep red. And we do have blue. And we have also deep yellow. And we have black here that we're gonna use for the cell activator. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of the white in the base so that it will slide. Can you put it
Yeah.
in here?
Yeah.
Yep. Put a lot. You can put it a lot. It's okay. More. Okay, enough. And then we're gonna tilt it. Can you tilt it?
Sorry.
Like that. You just put a little bit just for the center. Okay.
Hey,
Okay. Can you make it, can you a little bit down?
down.
Okay. And then now, Mika's gonna put the black.
Back.
Like this.
This.
In the center.
Center.
Oh, enough! Enough! Oops. I think we put a lot. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we put a lot. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then what color you wanna put? Can you put
Blue.
blue? But not much, okay? A little only, okay?
Okay.
Slow down.
Down now.
Yeah, in the center, okay?
After
Oh no, we're gonna put this one.
this one.
Yep. Then you're gonna put it in the center. Just a little, okay? Not much. Oh, enough. Careful, like that. Is that in the here? Pointing here. And then we're gonna put some white.
Right.
Okay, a little, not much.
No.
Center. Oh, enough. Okay, we're gonna wait, okay? We're gonna wait. And then we're gonna add some red. Oh, enough. You need to put it in the center though. Okay, what's happening? Look, I think we put a lot. And then we're gonna add the, what color are you gonna add? Can you add the gold? Oops. Enough. Can you add some black there?
Back.
Yeah, but not much, okay? In this side, okay, in this side, in the white,
Right.
yeah. Enough. What color? What else the color you like?
Purple.
Purple, okay. But not much. Oh, enough. What else?
88.
Is that a cake?
Not like cake.
That's not a cake. Okay, what can you add the green? In the center, which is the center? What is this? Where is the center?
88.
In the center there. Go at the green.
Okay.
Okay, center. Like that. Okay, enough. What's that? What's that?
Tell you this. It's an 8.
Hmm?
It's a Mars.
You like that?
It's the most pieces.
That's your painting. Okay. What else you want? Do you want to put yellow? Just like that.
The most.
Yes. What else you want to put?
It's good.
White. Okay, it's okay. In here.
Yeah.
Okay, enough. Enough. Oh, we're overflowing. Yay. Yay.
I don't.
Yep.
Tissue.
Tissue. Okay. Yeah, look what happened. Can you lift it? Can you lift it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, lift it, Swan. Can you remove it?
A bit. You bit.
This is the cup of the poor. Oh, it's heavy?
Heavy.
Okay, Mama will gonna lift it. Let's merge with the... Put a little bit more black in the front. In the... Okay, enough.
Okay. Yeah, you pit.
I'll lift it. I'll help you. 1, 2. I'm gonna lift. Oh, that's heavy. Like this. Ooh. See that? Wow. What happened? Look.
Ika. I need
Okay,
it.
put in the center. Only a little. Only a little. Enough. And then put the white. Only a little, okay? Only a little, okay?
Yeah.
Careful, look. Enough. What happened? You see it?
Purple.
Yes. You see it? Did you see what happened?
And purple.
Okay. Can you tilt it?
Purple.
So it's starting to happen. Okay. Oh.
Hey, we go back.
Okay, let's do it. What happened? No, don't do that. Look what happened. Oopsie. That is the most ugly painting. So we're just trying to tilt it because the paints are too much. Mika, don't hold it aside. Don't hold aside. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, let's remove this one. Mika, I'll help you. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this fun pour of Mika. Fun pour of Mika. Say bye-bye! Bye-bye!